Hello, back again for another Sheila Show Me weekend. Today I'm going to show you how the front bed folds out in a Swift. Come on! So what I'm going to show you is the first and second berth here in the living area, and it's pretty simple. So you first start with your table. You just press this button here and that folds the leg in place. You then take this table off. Now, you'll need this table, but for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to set it out of the way so that we can come back to it. So next thing you're going to need to do is there's little buttons holding the backs in place. If you just come down here, I'll show you. See these little buttons, these little tags? You just pop them off. And then of course, whenever you're putting it back on, you just pop them in place again. And same down below, you'll see a big red tag. You pull that and that undoes the button just there. So you just remove them out of the way. And same with the base. Just pops up. Now, you see what I've done here? This secures your seatbelt in place. So just be careful of that. And now back to the table. So that table just secures in here on this small shelf here. Just like that. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to flip these over upside down just to protect the seat. So now comes your infill pillows, and you can store them wherever you feel like it. If that's down the back or up under the seats here, it's up to you. And you have this one small infill pillow, and that's for this part of the back. Just to fill that out for you nice and neat. And then your other infill pillow just squeezes down. The last stage now is you have your last infill pillow. You pop the tags off the back of this, just like the other chairs. Of course, flip this round. And then this bed extends across. This part flicks in first. And then your final infill pillow. And there we go. That didn't take that long, did it? And as you can see, I'm average height. I've mentioned that before. And there is plenty of leg room, whether you want to go this way or that way. So that was another Sheila Show Me success, and I will see you next weekend.